we're going to look at fitting the RP26 sweep seal. Now, as with fitting all draft excluders, when you've got fixings that come with it, it's best to take the fixings out and any other components and put them by the door. That way you're not going to lose them while you're cutting the device or forget where they are. They're always by the door where you're going to fit the device. Okay, so I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. There are instructions that come with it, but it's a fairly straightforward device to fit. So we've got the little cover strap here that covers the fixings. It's screw fixed onto the door. In this case, it's normally fitted on the outside. It's okay to fit anywhere that it's going to butt up to something. Okay, so you can fit it on the inside as well, or anywhere where there's a rising step, which is what we've got here. So the step is rising like that. So when the door closes, the RP26 makes on the rising step. Okay, when it opens, it clears the step. So all we need to do really is to measure, mark the device and cut it on the saw, and then we'll come back and fit it. So when we're fitting, we're going to use a pilot, a 2.5mm pilot drill for piloting all the screw fixings, and then the impact driver to put the screws in. Now we'll just measure for length, and that's 909, so we'll mark the device and cut it on the saw. Alright, we'll cut the length now. I'm going to take the cover strap off. There's a little bit of swarf in there. Just blow it out. Okay, so we're good to fit now. So the length is good. All we need to do really is to pilot, hold it in place, pilot carefully in the middle of the slot. Okay, so we've piloted. We get a screw, put it in there. Work along to the middle. Just make sure you pilot right in the middle along that line that's provided for you. That'll give it a little bit of adjustment should you need it. Okay, so you can see the sweep seals just gently down on the doorstep there. We're going to fit the other screws and then we'll fit the cover strap on. Job done. Okay, we've put all the fixings in now. It just remains to put the cover strap on. When you're fitting these, remember they've either got to make onto something, okay, in which case you have a bit of leeway about the height that you're fixing the RP26 onto the door, or in this case we're making to a rising step, so we just want to fit it just gently down onto the doorstep, which is what we've done here. Okay, so we'll put the cover strap on and that'll be the job done. Just don't pull it too hard because you will pull the strap out as I'm doing here. There we go.